Most drugs do not work for most people, which is unfortunate. So the goal of personalized medicine is to try to tailor specific therapies to someone's genetic makeup, and so they'll be more effective. The real promise and hope is that we'll avoid giving drugs that don't work, that have dangerous side effects, to people who will not benefit from those drugs, and that we will be able to give drugs that are more effective for individual patients based on their genetic profiles. My partners and I are seed stage investors, and we have a new genomic or diagnostic assay company called RNA Diagnostics. Our first product will be used to provide tumor response assay for breast cancer to help oncologists to select the correct chemotherapies. Well, I think the diagnostics industry today is obviously moving towards more use of genetic information. It's still unclear whether or not these prognostic tests are really going to change or improve the delivery of medicine. It's clear that there has been some advances, the use of genetic tests for individuals to see whether they will respond to different drug therapies, like the HER2 test for Herceptin, and the KRAS test for the colon cancer drugs that are on the market. But there hasn't been actually a lot of really successful and clear-cut winners to date. I'm not a scientist, but I think these prognostic tests are still, like the MammaPrint and the OncoDx, they're still predictive. I don't think it's been enough data or enough time has elapsed to see whether they really are improving the outcomes of these patients. The biggest challenge that we're facing is in the area of adoption. We're still in a very early stage at this point, but we have quite a lot of clinical data. We need to generate more clinical data, adoption, key opinion leaders. There's lots to do.